care where none of your other makeup is from, but I want to know what that lip combo is. It might not be for you, and that's okay. If you don't like it, you don't have to do it. Oh, little birdie. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You might not recognize me because I have black hair. It's me, D Wood. I'm really in the mood for like some really natural makeup today. But when I say natural, I still mean like natural glam. Let's just go ahead and jump into it. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and do so. If you are, then welcome back. I feel like I don't really be having time for all the intros no more. I just want to jump right into the makeup. So obviously, you see I did something to my hair again. I'm always doing something to this hair, y'all. I relaxed it. I do have a video coming out soon. It might already be out. I'm not sure which order I'm gonna post the videos in. But, you know I gotta do a little glam to go with the hair. Like I said, I'm feeling really natural today, so I'm not even gonna do foundation. I still want my skin to be like popping. Also, I honestly did a lot of skincare today, so I kind of just want to take it easy. As you can see, I have this huge planet on the side of my forehead. It's that time of the month, and I shouldn't have been picking at it, and I was, so yeah. But oh shoot, I didn't bring a moisturizer. If you ever have a pimple and it has like a scab on it, put a little bit of moisturizer and let it sit, and it'll kind of soften the scab and either make it peel off, that sounds disgusting, or just make it softer so that the makeup looks better over top of it. I think I am gonna conceal underneath my brows today because I noticed that when I don't do it and I do like the whole concealer and everything, it just looks weird to me. I don't like that look. I have to conceal underneath my brow to give it some shape, mainly because I don't fill it in with anything. I just use brow gel. I should have did this off camera, but y'all, I've been filming all day, so I'm just kind of ready to see my final look come together. You know how that is. You can't really see if you like your hair or not until you do your makeup. Because if we're being honest, I'm not 100% sold on this hair yet. I mean, I think I look pretty. I don't know if the hair, I think I need a part. And I was trying to not do a part because I always do a part, but it works. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I guess you can say I'm officially a pixie girl now because I have a freaking relaxer. I was on the phone with my brother the other day and I was telling him I was thinking about cutting my hair, and he was like, I thought you said you was growing it out. Child, y'all know me. Growing it out only means letting it get a little longer than what it normally is. It don't mean letting it grow out for real, for real. Come on now, y'all. I even have friends that are like, so how long are you gonna let your hair get? I'm like, because that's really not a question I can answer, because it's not really how long I'm gonna let it get. It's really time. Like, I guess when I'm short, since my hair is short, I don't go by length. I go by like, okay, I've been letting my hair grow out for two months. I've been letting it grow out for 3 months. I've been like that. This right here is 3 months of growth. Okay, so those are my brows. I'm gonna blend that out and let that be that. I don't want to do too much today. I just want to keep it real cute, real natural. Girl, I don't even know what I use this brush for, but I'm about to use it for this today. Ooh, I have a cool lip gloss that I want to try, and that's another reason why I want to keep my makeup like really, really natural, because I just want to use this lip gloss and let that be like my star of the show. Okay, so that's the brows. Let's go ahead and get this complexion right. This e.l.f. thing is doing something funky. All the letters are like, girl, it's not even English anymore. The letters, they literally look like Chinese letters. Like, I'm dead for real. I did a lot of skincare today, y'all. Between the day before yesterday, last night, and today, it's been a lot of skincare on this face. So I really legit just want to keep it simple. I don't want to agitate my face too much. And I really shouldn't even be using these dirty brushes. If you don't like foundation, but you want a little bit of coverage and a little bit of glow, and you just want something to look really natural, I really do suggest this. Now, if you have like a lot of hyperpigmentation, you might have to go over it with a concealer. Like my forehead and like my chin right here, I can still see like a little something peeking through, but that's okay to me. Like I said, I'm going for something more natural today. One thing I am happy about, I don't have to be so mindful of my edges because my hair is not blonde. But I still want to be careful because obviously I don't want caked up, you know, edges. Girl, I forgot I had this little pimple right here too. If you're wondering what shade I am in this e.l.f. stuff, it is shade 7 Deep Rich. Wait, yeah, Deep Rich. So that's the foundation. Of course we're doing liquid blush. I don't care how natural of a day. Liquid blush, always. I love putting my blush really high because I feel like it makes my cheekbones look really, really high. Like, I just really, really love that. The look might not be for you, and that's okay. If you don't like it, you don't have to do it. See, this is already getting makeup on it. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to fix that when I'm done. And I really like bringing it like right up underneath my eye and kind of drawing like a line right there. I love that already. Like, I mean, I wouldn't walk out like this, but I think if I had to, it wouldn't be too bad. I used to do this all the time. Put my highlight right in the front of my brow like that. Because for me, I find that it just helps give my face a little more definition. Okay, I need a concealer brush. I'm really trying to make this makeup quick but cute, you know? As I'm doing my makeup, the black hair is kind of grown on me. And like I said, y'all, it's not that I hate it. I just think I need a part. But it's kind of growing on me without the part. We'll see. Any bronzing I'm gonna do or contouring is gonna be all with powder. Because like I said, I'm really going for more of a natural look. Although pink blush up to your eyes is not natural. All right, so to set the concealer, I'm going right in with some translucent powder. Let me just add a little bit of powder because that e.l.f. stuff is like really, really glowy. I guess we can go ahead and add some powder blush. I haven't used this Pat McGrath blush in a hot minute, so I'm excited to pick her back up. Ooh, so pretty. How do we go from natural makeup to this? That's what I want to know. All right, now I'm taking the Haus Labs. I don't think I talked about this blush in a long time, but ooh, I love it. Because I really want this to be like, boom, pink. I like that. Girl, I wasn't even recording, but all I did was put some bronzer on my eyes. And I'm about to do some mascara. Oh my gosh, so this is my first time using high-end mascara. This is a lot, honestly. I legit did not know my eyelashes could even do all of that. I mean, granted, I'm gonna put a lash on top of it, but geez. Wow, I'm looking so pretty so far. Oh my God. Y'all, I did not know my eyelashes could get that big and bold. Like, for real. Lash time. Wow, I look so freaking pretty right now. Okay. I honestly have never seen my lashes look this good. Like, for real, my lashes look amazing. I also really want to go hard and heavy on the blush today because the lip that I'm doing is giving like just super girly, super pink. I want to do a pink glittery lip. Oh, this is Juvia's Place Brownie, by the way. One thing about me, I don't care where none of your other makeup is from, but I want to know what that lip combo is. So I'm going to start making it a point to tell y'all the lip combo. Even if nobody really care, I'm going to still let y'all know because I figure I still want y'all to know. What is this? Honey Love from MAC. That's cute already. But I got this lip gloss from the beauty supply store the other day. And it's so freaking pretty. It is a hot pink diamond glow lip, whatever the heck. Y'all see what it is. And this kind of reminds me, I don't know if y'all were like makeup girls back when the Viva Glam Miley Cyrus collection came out at MAC. She had a gloss that looked similar to this. Does anybody remember? That lip gloss was literally like my everyday lip gloss. I had to find something that was kind of similar to it. So let's go. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. You know what I need to do? Sometimes I be wishing every lip gloss was in a squeezy tube. And these glosses smell so good. It smells like cupcakes. I love it. Oh, it's pretty. And what made me think about this, in my last video when I did the black lip, I did a silver lip gloss, but I had to make it. So I went on a hunt. Like, let me find. Ooh, that is so. Oh my God. This is so. Wow. This is the best lip combo I've ever done in my life. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I'm noticing something. I feel like I can do more natural makeup looks when my hair is black versus the blonde. I always feel like I have to kick it up a lot of notches. I don't know what that's about, but I don't know how long I'm gonna be relaxed in black. So y'all just come along, enjoy the ride. Y'all know I will talk y'all's head off if I don't let y'all go. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and do so. You see the material, you see how we come in, so go ahead and subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see y'all in the next video.